I could tell. Okay, well, that was fun. Um, any questions?
I want to know, can she go back to the...
Cindy, this is John. He's taking over our site, so ask.
Can you go back to the homepage of the website, please?
Go back to the web page. Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Can you show me how to testimony?
Okay, so I go over here to the testimonial. So when I'm on the testimonial, if you click on, so this is just, I'm just showing you how to figure out how the site is built, right? So anytime you see the square brackets, that means it's a short code. And a short code is nothing but a module somewhere over here on the side. So if you'll notice over here on the side, there is something called testimonials.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
click on
Yes.
all testimonials. If you want to add a new testimonial, click on add new.
There.
And
Okay.
again, from here onwards, it is absolutely same like adding a page or anything.
Okay.
New. So we'll say, love it, love it, love it, something like that. And then you can add a tagline, URL, or whatever you want to add. You don't need to, but you want to, you can add. You click on publish. So first time when you create a new, anything new, this button will be publish. Once it is already created, then it will be called update. It's the same thing. It both work as saving. Okay. And now when we go and view the site, go on testimonials. So this is the new testimonial. So let's say I want to delete this. I'll click on, see, editing the page doesn't really help. So once I go over here, click on testimonials. At this time, I can trash this testimonial.
Okay.
It's so simple.
Simple.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Anything else?
Well, no, if we add images, maybe one or two to main, to the homepage, we have
I know.
to scale it.
Yeah, so anywhere adding images is the same thing. I showed you how to replace this image. It's
Yes.
the same thing. Only thing I'll request you
Okay.
not touch this area, because these images have to be cropped in a particular dimension, um, you know, really well done to upload, because this image, if you'll mess up, it will really affect the look and feel of the website.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think
Okay.
all the images
If
that
I have images, send those to you.
yeah, so these images over here, you should not add more than 5 images. So let's say tomorrow you want to
Okay.
make any changes, just let me know and I'll help you make these changes. So just so you know,
Got it.
this is also something that is very easy to do. When you go over here, it says slider revolution. And when you click on that, you will see all the images added over here. So you can edit these images over here. However, just so you know, I request you not to do it, because once you do this, see, these are all the slides that are there. So once you make any changes over here, if they don't go well, then it sort of breaks the site, which I don't recommend. So there's a second image and so on.
Okay.